If you're an entrepreneur, there's never enough money. Well, oh, wait a minute. Maybe in the year 2000 there was enough money. But other than that, there's never enough money. However, in 2012, San Diego companies raised over $1.1 billion. Oh, we're not advancing. So that's the first time in 5 years that we've cracked the billion-dollar mark. And if you look at these slides here, you'll see in the blue with the index on the left, the trend, we've been flat coming out of the financial recession, but we had a big rebound in 2012 as we had a number of very significant financings. The downside to that, if you look at the red line, is in fact the number of companies that got financed was down. And this is indicative that the market was heavily driven by later stage deals, some bigger companies. But if you look at the 1.1, just to put it in context, that's more money than every venture deal in Texas. That's more money, no offense, Jason, than every venture deal in Colorado. That's more money than every venture deal in the DC corridor, and about 3 minutes of government spending. So, for the first time ever, Southern California, LA, Orange County, San Diego, as a region, tied with New England for the second most active region in the country. So in fact, while it always seems hard, I know if you're out there and you're looking to raise a Series A, it's never easy. But there is, in fact, been a great blossoming of the venture capital ecosystem here in Southern California. A lot of things driving our way. So I'm encouraged by those facts. If you look on this chart, you see some of the more significant financings that happened here in San Diego, whether they were in clean tech or pharmaceuticals or Josh's portfolio company, Genomatica, along with a couple of our cool companies that raised fairly good-sized Series A. One of the reasons you see those Series A so much lower is in so many businesses, it just takes less money to get a company off the ground. So hopefully these will be some of our winning companies of the future. We had here in San Diego 2 of the most successful IPOs of 2012. ServiceNow, which currently has a market cap approaching $4 billion, has significantly outperformed that other IPO that happened up in the valley. I forget what the name was there. But there were also a number of great M&A exits, such as those experienced by Amira Pharmaceuticals and ID Analytics. So if you look back at 2012, we really had a kick-ass year here in San Diego. It was really, that we'd like more. I'd like to see more Series A, but it was a great year.